That's... Ow! I just hit my tooth with my gum. I hate my life. Oh my gosh, I cannot talk. So today is going to be a really fun day. I'm taking myself to the beach. I haven't been to the beach in probably over a year. I just kind of need a day to myself just to relax and not have to work and not have to run a bunch of errands and stuff. So this week I only did 3 days of cardio. I'm supposed to be doing 4. Since today's Saturday, I wanted to go ahead and get my cardio in today before I go to the beach. I'm not doing anything else for my workout, it's just the cardio because tomorrow's legs and I don't do cardio and legs on the same day. I also wanted to update you guys on my split because I did decide to change it this week. Previously, I was doing 2 leg days. One was more compound focused, one was more accessory work. 2 chest and back days, and then 2 shoulders and arm days. So the reason I decided to change my split was looking at my pictures, like my progress pictures, and looking at my videos of myself posing. I'm noticing that my legs need more shape. It's not that they're small necessarily, but I feel like my quads, especially when I'm in my side pose, like in my quarter turns and my side pose, I feel like my hamstrings they're not that big. My hamstrings, I've mentioned this before, are the hardest thing for me to grow. So my hamstrings are really not that developed. And then I feel like my quads could use a little more size as well. My upper body seems to be coming along all right, so I'm not as worried about my upper body, which is why I felt like I needed to change my split. So what I'll be doing now going forward is I'm gonna do 2 back and shoulder days because those are areas not necessarily that I feel like are lagging, but that I need to make sure I prioritize because that's what judges look for in figure, is wide back and shoulders and really developed medial delt, so the outside part of your delt. Then I'm gonna do 3 leg days. Now keep in mind I'm not going to be doing super heavy compound lifts all 3 leg days. I'm going to do 1 more quad focused compound day, 1 hamstring focused compound day, and then 1 day of just accessory work. I will work a little bit of accessory stuff into my hamstring and quad days, but I want to mostly focus on compounds and just those muscle groups on those 2 days. And then my 6th day, I'm going to do chest and arms just because those are not areas I feel like I need to worry about as much. So that's kind of the little update on my split. So I'll try that for a little while and see how I like it, see if I get any better results or anything from doing it that way. So I'm going to go ahead and do my cardio really quickly, like I said, before I go to the beach. I'm only doing 17 minutes, so I'm going to do a 5-minute warm-up and then 12 minutes of the intervals. I'm not going to film any of it just because y'all don't want to watch me walk on the stairs for, 17 minutes. So I will check in with you guys later.